truth, it's most important to put limelight on. Lust of power and resources have become challenge to world. The world we live in today is in the challenge of wars, resources, and the war of powers, where the people and masses are hanging like anchor into the sea to defend the ship of peace. But the devils in deep sea consume the resources on the basis of fights. Inch by inch, yard by yard. Allah says in Holy Quran, and I quote, Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu, la taqulu ambalukum bainukum bil batili. Illa an takuna tijaratan an turad minkum. Wa la taqtulu anfusakum, inna Allaha kana bikum rahima. O believers, do not devour one another's wealth illegally, but rather trade by mutual consent. And do not kill yourselves or one another. Surely Allah is ever merciful to you. But unfortunately, the powers of the world, for their diabolical motives, have thrown world to the challenge. The challenge of bloodbath, the challenge of massacre, the challenge of peace, the challenge of wars, booming bombs, devastation ruins. Wars ever nothing but saddles, disabled, lames, blind, injuries, deaths, use and cries. But why would men learn from history? But they have turned to be lustful for power and resources. They have blindfolded themselves, no difference of hell and heaven. Words of Moses never taught war, but his followers have devoured Palestine. Words of Jesus never taught war, but his followers have begun hectic wars, be that Libya, where primarily in 2011, 2014, and even in 2020, death occurred ranging from 15,000 to 30,000. Even the exact figure ongoing in conflicts. Question arises why? For the lust of gold, silver, diamond and oil resources. What happened in the mountains of Afghanistan, what happened in Syria? According to the United Nations Human Rights, studying at least deaths of 6,887 civilians till 2011 to 2021. Even the butcher is there. Recent attacks on Venezuela for power and resources. The war of Russo-Ukraine, almost 4 lakh estimated casualties took place just for power and resources. The man has brought world to challenge of extinction. The deadliest, the dirtiest, the ugliest motive have nipped the life of peace-loving. The hypocrites, the democrats, the autocrats, the bureaucrats, the maniacs have brought a version of war for peace. So mimics. How can war be for peace? How can death be for life? I ask, how can starvation be for food? How can bombs serve? The lust of hell, the hellfire, where Allah says only the hellfire can fill their stomachs. The boomers have brought world to dooms. The nations have rise. We want no war, but peace in Palestine, peace in Libya, peace in Iran, peace in Iraq, peace in Kashmir, peace in Africa, peace in all over the world, peace in the planet. जंग की आग में जलते हैं घर बार, मासूमों का लहू बहता है बार बार. No war, no war, no war. Say with me. No war, no war, no war.